Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Introduction to Brackets.io for Python development. Brackets.io is a lightweight yet powerful open source text editor primarily designed for web development. While it's commonly used for front-end web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, it's also a great tool for Python development. With its extensibility through plugins and its clean interface, Brackets.io offers a smooth and efficient environment for writing Python code. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to set up Brackets.io for Python development and utilize its features effectively. Download Brackets.io, visit the official website of Brackets.io, https://brackets.io, and download the installer suitable for your operating system. Install Brackets.io, follow the installation instructions provided on the website to install Brackets.io on your system. Install Python. If you haven't already, install Python on your system. You can download Python from the official website, https://www.python.org, and follow the installation instructions. Install Python extension, open Brackets.io and navigate to File Extension Manager. Search for Python in the Extensions tab and install the Python extension. Configure Python path. After installing the Python extension, go to Debug Open Preferences File. Add the following lines to specify the path to your Python interpreter. Replace /path/to/your/python/interpreter with the actual path to your Python interpreter. Syntax highlighting. Brackets.io provides syntax highlighting for Python code, making it easier to read and understand your code. Code folding. You can collapse and expand blocks of code in Brackets.io, allowing you to focus on specific sections of your Python script. Code hinting. Brackets.io offers code hinting and auto-completion, which can help speed up your coding process by suggesting function names, variable names, and more as you type. Linting. With the help of plugins like JShint, Brackets.io can perform linting for Python code, highlighting syntax errors and potential issues in your code in real time. Let's create a simple Python script using Brackets.io to demonstrate its features. To run the Python script within Brackets.io,